The oil and gas industry faces one of the most complex tax environments of any sector, with effective tax rates varying widely. Mastering oil and gas taxation can lead to significant tax savings and improved financial performance. Many oil and gas companies struggle with the intricate tax rules and regulations specific to the industry. This can lead to overpayment of taxes, compliance issues, and missed opportunities for tax planning and optimization. At an individual level, tax professionals in the oil and gas sector may feel overwhelmed by the complexity of industry-specific tax laws and frequent regulatory changes. Teams may lack a comprehensive understanding of how different operations impact the company's tax position. This course provides specialized training in oil and gas taxation. It equips participants with in-depth knowledge of tax laws, regulations, and strategies specific to the oil and gas industry. Participants will learn about taxation of exploration and production activities, treatment of intangible drilling costs, depletion allowances, and international tax considerations in oil and gas operations. They'll also develop skills in tax planning for mergers and acquisitions, structuring joint ventures for tax efficiency, and managing tax risks in volatile market conditions. For organizations, the impact is significant. They'll see improved tax compliance, enhanced ability to optimize tax positions, and better integration of tax considerations into business strategies. This leads to potential tax savings, reduced compliance risks, and improved after-tax financial performance. On a personal level, participants will gain highly specialized skills that are crucial in the oil and gas industry. Tax teams will benefit from enhanced capabilities in navigating the complex tax landscape of the sector, fostering better collaboration with finance and operations teams. Ready to become an expert in oil and gas taxation? Don't miss this opportunity to master this critical aspect of financial management in the energy sector. Enroll now and learn to navigate the complex tax environment of the oil and gas industry with confidence and precision.